The ureter is the tube carrying urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Don't confuse it with the urethra, which is the tube connecting the bladder to the outside. The innermost layer of the urethra, which is the mucosa, has two sublayers. The innermost layer is the transitional epithelium, and the next layer is the lamina propria. So you can tell that this is transitional epithelium because you have multiple layers of cells and they don't look cuboidal, they don't look squamous, they don't look columnar. And this transitional epithelium is what gives the ureter the ability to stretch. So if urine was passing through the ureter, these pleated ridges that we're seeing would flatten out to expand it and make the opening bigger. So the inside of the urethra can actually become 17 times larger than in its resting state in order to accommodate a high flow of urine, like if you just chugged a gallon of water, so that your urine isn't backing up into your kidneys. Deep to the mucosa is the muscular layer. So this is a layer of smooth muscle, and because you have this muscle, your ureters aren't completely dependent upon gravity. You can be upside down and your ureters are still going to propel urine towards your bladder via peristalsis. Peristalsis is just the rhythmic pulsing of smooth muscle, which is pushing something through a tube. So think of like squeezing toothpaste out. That's kind of how peristalsis works. And you might have heard that word before when learning about the digestive system, because peristalsis pushes food down your esophagus, through your intestines. And the last layer of the ureter is the adventitia. And that's just a dense connective tissue that's going to help anchor your ureter to the posterior wall of your abdominal cavity. And surrounding the adventitia is usually a really nice layer of adipose.